So I traveled to one of the busiest street markets in East London called Ridley or Destin Market to promote our African local business over there. I mean those who sell our African local food. So this video is to give you an idea where to go or which market to go when you need a typical African local food to buy or even Caribbean things to buy. This location over here sells everything, and mostly on Thursdays that's when most of the African shops receive fresh goods from Ghana, like contombre, which is taro leaf, and other vegetables from Ghana. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If today is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a brother, and man, let's promote ourselves and our business. Oh, what's this leaf called? What's it called? Vegetable leaves. Vegetable. Okay. F430.
Yes.
Okay. You be Yoruba or Igbo? Yoruba. Okay. So this Yoruba leaves. And over here is a Nigerian shop. Okay. So this is smoked catfish, and yeah, from Nigeria. We have snails over here as well to make a gushi. Yeah, man, local stuff, ripe plantain, yam, okro, akara, puff, man. Wow, amazing. And over here we have seasoning. So this is called Total Food. So if you come to Destin Market, they have this amazing stuff over here. You're Nigerian, come get your stuff. This is stockfish, right? Oh, it's stockfish, yeah. So that's stockfish over there, and the leaves for the more as well. Man, everything fresh over here from Nigeria. Smoked fish over here as well. So Total Food in Destin Market, and man, come get your stuff over here. So if you come to East London, there's this street market over here, Ridley Wood Market, one of the famous markets we have in East London. Okay, so opposite here is the train station, Destin Kingsland, and opposite here is the market. Okay, they sell everything from Ghanaian, Kenyan, Nigerian, anything African you can get over here. So let's go through to see what they sell over here, you know. Amazing stuff solely. So from food, clothes, anything, just imagine. Man, look at this giant fish over here, tilapia. Mamma mia. Man, this is really big. And the red bream over here as well.
8. The other one.
Wow.
7. This one.
So how much is a kilo of this? £6. Okay, so a kilo of this fish is £6. If you come to Destin Market, you come to PM Prime Fish, and they have this amazing big fish over here.
Yeah.
Man, all size and kinds. And the squid. It's over here is vintage grocery, and man, it is an African shop, but they sell everything Afro. Man, cocoa yam, man, ripe plantain, the yam, fancy kenke. Hey, about the moringa you want? Ayoyo, okay, jetta leaves. Okay, ayoyo, jetta leaves, no contombre. So cocoa yam leaves over here, and this is ayoyo, which is jetta leaves. We have fancy kenke over here. We have some pepper. We have garden eggs, ginger, catfish, smoked dry catfish. Man, stuff over here. Teki berries, samudro, shallot onion, normal onion. We have okro. We have amani herring. And benku over here as well. We have wile, tuna, opoku. Man, I call our smoke offense a chicken. Where guinea fowl? Okay, so guinea fowl, smoked guinea fowl. And we smoke offense a corn mackerel. Man, watching this over there. So come to Vintage Grocery in Destin Market, Ghana Foods store, and meet my mommy Friday. Rasets. But they serve a friend in Kadokun wadi in Patois. Yes, much tilapia wacho. Aze, etunari na wadi already made. Man, 1,000 nkati cake, zomi, just name it. Bibia dakwa bento apeda so bento no sen hade no. Ekwa this side is on the seasoning na de. Ewa nchine no nyi pekese mensua tatapoli nim tree leaves no.
Papaya leaf.
Okay.
Monko
bibia. Over here too the asanka no wa park wade no. Men style bia but on shito so wade. Okay, so this is His Grace shop in Destin Market, and they sell African, Nigerian stuff, wrapper, everything. Okay, so right from the outside, we have these 3 pieces, the jalabia and everything. Man, look over here, amazing stuff over here. So if you're in London and want some African stuff to wear, come to His Grace in London and get yourself some wrapper. Amazing. Over here they sew, as you can see, the sewing machine over here. You can bring your cloth and they sew it for you. They have 3 pieces and the kid clothes and everything. Man, his Grace shop in Destin Market, and man, amazing stuff over here. As I said, you can bring your stuff and they sew it for you. They're all shy to be in the camera, man. They're all shy to be in the camera. Wait, did you grab me? So still in Destin Market, and man, I found this shop over here. They sell this amazing beats over here, man. This is the African stuffs, okay, man. The natural stuff. So it's called Dixon Natural Beauty, and they have the whole varieties of everything. Man, look at the culture bands and everything, the drum. If you go deep down, there are lots of stuff, like a whole lot, everything you can imagine. The African clothes, the dresses and everything. Wow. Dixon's Natural, what do you call it? Natural Beauty. Man, this is a typical stuff from Africa. Amazing. So this is the natural broom from Ghana. Amazingly. Everything, yeah. Papa, hey, okay, me who Papa, yeah. Papa, Okodo. Interesting. I see some sea salt over here as well. Yeah, prekese, yeah.
Prekese, yes.
Yeah, prekese. Okodo. Man, I see some. What? Man, I see some sea salt over here. This is sea salt, man. Crystal. You've seen me, right? Yeah. So if you come to Destin Market, you can find this shop over here. Very unique shop over here, and this is the one over here, man. He sells amazing. Look at the aloe vera and everything. So you sell like what do you sell?
We sell natural beauty products.
Natural beauty. Okay. So what is this ones?
That's incense.
Incense. So okay. Are you Jamaican?
I'm a Ghanaian.
Are you Ghanaian? We are Ghanaian. We are Ghanaian. You're Kodo. Mr. Jamaican. I say Jamaican. Ghana for never. Mr. Jamaican. You never. Oh, okay, you're Ghanaian.
You can come around and I'll show you.
Okay. Yeah. So man, it's amazing. Look at the baskets and everything. Man, the cool pots. Wow.
Yeah, mainly this one we have been tired to do.
Okay, so you do cure this over here?
Cure this problem.
Wow.
So, yeah, we've been doing this for about almost 23 years.
Wow. So
condition of the skin.
Okay. So he normally treats skin problems, so skin disease, rashes and everything. So this is to shea butter. Man, this is original one. I can testify because I know the original one, how it looks like. These are what? Salt?
These are all natural soaps.
Natural soaps, okay.
They are all different properties for what about the skin condition.
Okay, so can you tell more about this skin condition thing? Can you say more?
Okay. Well, something like this is eczema, psoriasis.
Okay.
And then this is blood clots.
Okay.
And losing hair.
Okay, losing hair.
Yeah. So
okay.
all it's about, you know what I'm saying, your skin condition and how your immune system is.
So where are you located in Destin Market? Where are you located?
In Remedies Road Market, Dalston. Okay. And my pitch number is 100 and the store number is 39.
39. Any phone number? Okay, so this is the phone number, right?
This is the phone number 077-602-11626.
And what's the name? Dixon, Mr. Dixon. Man, so if you have any skin disease or skin rashes, and
mango butter.
Yeah, they have everything. This is natural soaps.
This is
cocoa butter, mango butter.
Yeah.
Wow, man, I've not had mango butter before. So meaning it's a cream, but they use mango to do it.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's the base of
man, look at that aloe vera.
Mango nut. The mango seed.
Mango seed. Yeah. Wow. Man, first time seeing mango cream. No, this is not shea butter. This is mango.
This mango.
Mango cream.
Mango and then cocoa.
And so this is cocoa and this is mango. And we have the shea butter over there too.
You can imagine.
Yeah.
Cocoa is not white.
Not white, the cream color, and the mango is white. Mango cream. Wow. So he's the one selling. Sorry?
You have
Simons, okay. Simons, okay, yeah, here's Simons. But yeah, some Jamaicans they eat this one. Yeah, but we Ghanaians, Ghanaians, we don't eat a lot of stuff, eh?
It's about we learn.
We learn, exactly.
You know what I'm saying? So when you test something, then you know what is this.
Yeah.
And then when somebody tells you about this is good, you need to, try it
exactly.
Whether it's true or not.
Exactly.
Otherwise, you can never discover anything.
Exactly.
And if you base on somehow somebody saying, oh, this is, or how somebody eats, and it's the same thing, then you are going wrong. Because you don't test it. Exactly. You don't even have a proof of how it is.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I see some caramel cotty over there, and That offense, Wintia, is that Wintia or Isuwisa? Isuwisa. Yeah, Odibo and man, Kafa I didn't know I had you. So those who have been asking Kafa, man, if you come to the market, this man over here, friend, chewing stick, the chewing stick, right? At the chewing stick, Palasanto. Ben, okay, it's okay, okay. It's okay, man. He has everything. Natural remedy, Dixon natural remedy. Okay, okay. So basically, the bottle has been labeled with the name.
Medicine in the house, King George.
King George.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
You have a Bob sword. All them I create them anyway.
You create them. Yeah. Man, come to Destiny and get yourself some of this stuff over here. Amazing. Man, amazing. See, amazing. Natural soaps over here. Healing soap, rich, balancing. Man, amazing. Yeah. And all in his name. Moringa soap. Man, soya bean soap, shea beans, shea butter soap, sweet orange soap, oat soap. Wow, wow, man, I'm seeing things for my first time. This is Yasantua soap, aloe vera soap, sweet avena soap. Man, a whole lot. Man, come try this man. Come try this man, Mr. Dixon. Mr. Dixon. The address again?
Yeah, it's 39 Reed Road Market.
39, okay.
And then the piece number is number 100.
100, okay. And you can call him on 077-602-11626. I'll call Mr. Dixon. Thank you, sir. So this is sweet potatoes, £2 a kilo. And man, this is something that I know in Ghana. I've forgotten the name. And they have spring onion over here. This is cocoa. Man, fresh stuffs over here. This is cassava. Amazingly amazing. You see this kind of ginger over here? Garlic. Wow. Man, these are Jamaican stuffs. The arkin and everything. Amazing. They have plantain, ripe plantain. This is pumpkin. Wow. 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 Yum. Amazing. So the yam is divided to tell you that it's correct, it's original, no spoilage. Okay, and the white potatoes over here as well. Amazing. So what the shop called? Yam, what's it called? Yam Man, right? Yeah, so that's the market. If you come to Yam Man, man, they have amazing stuff over here. Is it basically from Jamaica? Everywhere. Everywhere. So all country, man. Yam Man. Inside that's the market. So this is large mangoes. It's from Jamaica, right? The mango's from Jamaica? No. Okay, so man, some amazing mangoes over here. Interesting. Wow. So these June plums. Wow, some avocados. Wow. Okra, fresh pepper. Man, look at the size of the pepper. Man, it's too big. Wow. And the spring onion. The thyme. Wow. Over here too, ginger, then bananas, sweet potatoes, yellow yam. Wow. So breadfruit. Amazing. So this is James Butcher, okay, Jamaican shop. And that's ongoing over here. Yeah, it's really big. Really, really big. Man, this boza, yeah, big mama fish. Yeah, big mama fish. Yeah, bingy. Hey, now you're bingy. Amazing. Come on. Wow, man, this is bingy. Now you're bingy. Kodo ade. Mamma mia. Big mama. Oh, we got our kodo. Our kodo. Yeah. Wow. Come on, come on. Okay. Yeah, and the shit over there as well. Yeah. Trophy. Man, cooking on site, anyway. Yeah. So as I said, as soon as you see this orange tent, you know, Big Mama, Big Mama, on trophy.
You have to get some.
Man, fresh tilapia over here, and man, the price affordable as well. So it goes with yam and some teki over here. They have wachi and incredible, so incredible. What joins your friend there?
Big Mama.
Ah, Big Mama. Okay, so Big Mama. Big Mama, okay. Man, that's laughing on you. I'm from my zoo. You want me to tell you? I can see. Where? It's a kuya. A kuya.
13, 14.
Okay. Wow, man, this tilapia looks huge. But look at this one over here. Amazing. And also, she sells shito, Big Mama. Okay, so maybe our tent in here. What tent color in here? So when you come to this market, as soon as you see this tent over here or this color, meaning you've seen Big Mama. And man, come and have some amazing stuff for yourself.